Okay, let's give this a try. Look at that. Nice ricotta, you could see it. You don't want to mix it all in, but you want to have the chunks of ricotta there as well, because you want to combine, you want to taste actually the egg with the ricotta. Very good. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti. Today we're making ricotta frittata. It's an easy, quick recipe that you can make for brunch or a light dinner. So for this recipe, you will need eggs, ricotta cheese, olive oil, salt, garlic, Parmigiano, and some tomatoes for a garnish. I'll have the full recipe at the end. So we're going to start by cracking our eggs. We'll beat our eggs together. This makes such a light, quick dinner. I'm using the ricotta cheese, but you could definitely use any other ingredient that you like. Okay, so we're going to add your salt, and a bit of garlic, of course the Parmigiano. I'm making the frittata with ricotta cheese, but you could definitely make it with asparagus, artichokes, or any other, vegetable that you like. Definitely will work. Okay, eggs are ready. So we're going to pan fry our ricotta cheese. Warming up our pan. So you want to get it nice and hot. To make sure our pan is nice and hot, we're going to just trickle some water. So if your water rolls, then you know it's the right temperature and it won't stick. So we're going to add a bit of olive oil. There we go. Ready. So you pour in your ricotta. Growing up, this was such a staple in our home. So you could definitely add some salt. Put that down just a bit. I like it when the ricotta gets a little bit golden brown. There you go, I see it already. I'll lower that down. I'm just gonna stir my ricotta. I want to remove all the liquid. What I like also to do is strain my ricotta overnight or in the morning, just a few hours if you don't have time. That'll remove all the liquid. But that's coming together nicely. A little bit more olive oil. See how the liquid is all being absorbed there? And if you leave all that liquid, your eggs won't bind to the ricotta. It'll just be more like a scrambled eggs. I like it when the ricotta starts getting color, browning. I just think it brings out more flavor. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some more olive oil and we're ready for the eggs. I also like to add just a little bit, half a teaspoon of olive oil in with the eggs. Lower it down a bit. It's exactly like an omelet. Just cook it the same way. Lower the temperature. Okay, so we're ready to flip the frittata. So I'm just gonna place a plate over it, and hopefully I don't make a mess out of this. Look at that, nice golden brown. And I'm gonna slide it in just a little bit more to make sure it's all cooked through. It'll be just a few more minutes. Okay, our frittata is ready. There we go. So our frittata is ready, and I'm gonna pair it up with fresh tomato salad just to add a little bit of vegetables with your frittata. So I'm going to cut our tomatoes. You can cut them in any style, any shape you want, any way you want. Really simple, quick. So we're going to drizzle olive oil, an abundance of olive oil. I just find that the flavors of the tomato and the salt and the olive oil just come right through when you add more than a teaspoon. There we go. All ready. Okay, so your frittata is ready. Your tomato salad is ready. Quick, easy, delicious, great for any brunch, any dinner, light dinner. And we just slice it. This is how we serve it at home. There you go. Look at that, you have some ricotta cheese. There we go, all ready. You see how nice the ricotta is right there with the egg? You get a bit of both, so quick, easy frittata. Okay, let's give this a try. Look at that. Nice ricotta, you could see it. You don't want to mix it all in, but you want to have the chunks of ricotta there as well, because you want to combine, you want to taste actually the egg with the ricotta. Very good. Yeah, you get to taste both the egg and the ricotta cheese. So if you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe. Your support is encouraging.